Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. If you're looking to reach your audience effectively and manage your campaigns with ease, Mailchimp is one of the most popular platforms out there. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start sending professional emails right away. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a button that says Sign Up Free. Click on it to create your new account. This will give you access to Mailchimp's free tier, which is perfect for getting started with email marketing without any upfront costs. After creating your account, log in and you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Mailchimp will ask you to enter your business details, such as your company name, address, and website. This information is important because it helps personalize your emails and ensures compliance with email marketing regulations. Take a moment to fill this out accurately. Now, let's get into creating your first campaign. Navigate to the left side menu and click on Campaigns. An expanded menu will appear, and from here, click on Email Templates. This is where you'll find all the design options for your emails. Under the Email Templates section, you have two main choices. You can either select from all the templates Mailchimp has to offer, or you can create from scratch by clicking the Create from Scratch button on the top right corner. For this tutorial, we'll use a simple template to make things easier and faster. Browse through the available templates and hover your mouse over the one that catches your eye. When you've found your desired template, click the Create Email button. This will open up the template editor where you can start customizing your campaign. On the template editor, you'll be prompted to enter your recipients for this email. Fill in the to and from fields carefully, as these determine who receives your email and who it appears to be from. Next, enter a subject line that's compelling and relevant to your content. This is what your audience will see first, so make it count. If you wish to schedule this content, fill in the send time field. This allows you to plan your campaigns ahead of time and ensures your emails reach your audience at the optimal moment. Now, look at the email template on the right side of your screen. You'll see an Edit Design button. Click on it if you wish to customize or personalize the template you picked. This will take you to the email editor page where you can truly make the design your own. Look at your left side menu to drag content blocks such as text, images, and buttons into your template. Once you're done customizing, click Save and Exit from the top right corner of your screen. Then, click Send if you're satisfied with the email template and the contacts you've added. Your campaign is now ready to go out to your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.